Hi guys, let us see the functions of noun today. See, anything under the sun has got a function to do. There is nothing in the world without a function. Everything has got a function to do. See? Likewise, noun has got its own functions to be performed. What are the functions of a noun? It comes as a subject of a sentence. Okay? It comes as a subject of a sentence. It comes as an object of a sentence. It acts as a direct object of a sentence. It comes as an indirect object of a sentence. It comes as an adjunct of a sentence. As I have told you before, anything under the sun has got a function to do. Noun has got its own function to do. In a sentence, it can come as a subject of a sentence. It can come as an object of a sentence. It can come as a direct object of a sentence. It can act as an indirect object of a sentence. It can act as a complement of a sentence, and it can act as an adjunct of a sentence. So, subject, object, direct object, indirect object, complement, and adjunct are the important functions of a noun. So, a noun can do these functions. Now, I would like to tell you how a noun acts as a subject and what is the criteria that are to be followed for proving that a noun is acting as a subject, or what are the rules and regulations that are to be followed for finding a subject in a sentence. That we can see. How will you find out the subject of a sentence? For finding out the subject of a sentence, what are the rules to be followed? Here I am going to give you distinctly. First of all, if you want to find out a subject in a sentence, the following rules should be followed. The first rule is, find out the finite verb in the given sentence. That is, you have to find out the finite verb of the sentence first. This is point number 1. Point number 2, among the question words, who, which, what. See, the question words that are to be taken by you for finding out a subject in a sentence are who, which, and what. Yaar, edu, enna. These are the question words. Among these question words, you have to find out the suitable question word. Okay, how can we find out the suitable question words, sir? You may ask. See, you have to find out the suitable question word by taking into account the word that comes prior to the noun. See, the suitability should be made by you. The suitability of finding out the right question word should be done with the word that comes prior to the verb. Prior to the verb, mind you. The next one is, after finding out the question word and the verb, you frame a question using those question word and the verb. The answer to the question is subject. Okay? Example, Kala eats biryani. See, we shall implement the rules and regulations that we have studied. Okay? First of all, find out the finite verb. The finite verb is eats. Likewise, the fan gives us air. Find out the finite verb in this sentence. Gives. Okay? So now, you have found out the finite verb. The next rule is, among the question words, who, which, what. the question words for subject is who, which, what. The question words for subject are as follows. That is who, which, what. Yaar, okay. Edu, okay. Enna. These are the three question words. You have to find out the suitable question word that is fitting for this sentence. So that you should select the word that comes prior to the verb. See that? Eats is the verb. You should, find out the suitability, or you should find out the suitable question word by taking into consideration all the three question words to Kala. So here, which question word will you say? Will you take? For Kala is a lively person. So for that, if that is to be answer that should be the answer means your question word should be who. So the right question word for this sentence is Kala. So find out the finite verb in the given sentence and then find out the suitable question word in the given sentence. Then afterwards, using the question word and the verb, frame a question. Come on, let us frame a question. Who eats biryani? Who eats biryani? Kala. Kala. So Kala, subject. Likewise, the fan gives us air. Gives verb. Fan is the name of a thing. So your question word should be what. So what gives us air? Come on. Answer, the fan. So this is the way that you should find out the subject in a sentence. See, once again I tell you, find out the finite verb in the given sentence. Okay. Then among the question words who, which, what, you find out the suitable question word. Okay, we have found out who. Then using the question word and the verb, frame a question. Who eats biryani? The answer is Kala eats biryani. In this, Kala is the subject. Likewise, the fan gives air. What gives us air? The fan. See, there, the fan is the object. Now, in both the sentence, Kala is a name of a person, fan is a name of a thing. So, names of name of a thing or a name of a person can act as subject. So, thus we are able to, this way we have proved that a noun can come as a subject.